بچه ها ترین اومد، داریم میریم که سوار شیم. کریج 8 هستیم. این 6 مهرداد.
Thanks, I'll just ask you to stop.
این 7 این یکیش 8.
برو جلو.
نه اوکی هم بر من بگیم.
شماره 21 و 22.
13 to 17. Okay.
Not yet. Yeah, I'm right now. Okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
And then you've got more to see.
Yeah, honey.
Go.
With a delicious range of snacks, night meals, tea, coffee, cold drinks, and our famous fruit smoothies. Also available is a range of exclusive Kuranda Scenic Railway souvenirs.
این گلای زرد خوشگلی
بچه کنم که شهربازی مافیاست. شهربازی مافیاست بالا کوستایشون میان بالا.
For protection from today's wet weather conditions, there are ponchos and umbrellas also available for purchase at Kuranda Station Refreshment Room. But please be aware that we have got cashless and have only got spot facilities available. Thank you. passengers depart Kuranda for Freshwater and Cairns at 2 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. Passengers who require a return seat allocation or who have a return train inquiry, please check at the reservations office window, which is located near the main stairs. We remind you to return to the station at least 15 minutes before your train is due to depart. Passengers travelling on Skyrail, you will notice the Skyrail terminal on the left just above Kuranda Station. There is an elevator available at Kuranda Station for those passengers unable to use the stairs. To those passengers leaving us here in Kuranda, I trust that you have enjoyed your journey and have learnt more about this historic railway. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kuranda Railway Station features a low-level platform. Please take extra care on the steep carriage steps. Hold both handrails and exit slowly. Also, be mindful of the gaps between the train and the platform. Kindly wait until the train has come to a complete stop prior to opening doors and gates and disembarking. Finally, just a quick reminder to check that you have collected all of your belongings. On behalf of Kuranda Scenic Railway, I thank you for travelling with us today. I bid you farewell and trust that you have had a memorable journey. We're now approaching Kuranda Station. You may like to sit and relax in the beautiful Kuranda Station gardens whilst enjoying a delicious mango smoothie or delicious tea or coffee, which are available at our centrally located refreshment room. Once again, just a reminder, if you are visiting the refreshment room, please note that we have got only Epcot facilities available as we have gone cashless. Currently note the platform is on the left side in the direction of travel. And this is a friendly reminder, due to today's wet weather conditions, we ask you to take extra care whilst moving through the carriages and in particular disembarking. And also, again, on behalf of the onboard team, I would like to thank you for sharing the Kuranda Scenic Railway experience with us this morning. Thank you.
رودخونه است چطور بودشتن؟
عالی.
لذت بردیم. سقف هم بگیریم، سقف هم باحاله. مهداد میخواد بالونی رو بزن؟
نه.
این سنگ است. همزمان گفتش.
کدوم سنگی؟
آره.
بچه اینجا مراقب باشن خیلی